Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change alarm sound in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to home page and click on clock icon, and here select alarm. If you have set alarm, that will be available here. I have set this alarm 5 a.m. okay, and if you want to change alarm sound, click on this alarm, click over this alarm and click on alarm sound. Here you can change alarm sound. Okay, alarm sound as of now sets to this lights. Okay, I now select this one and just go back, and the selected alarm now will be the set as alarm sound. Okay, finally click on the tick mark and it will be saved. So in this way you can easily change alarm sound in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.